Hi, David Rollman here, and I'm super excited today to tell you about the brand new Guitar Pro 7 by Aerobass Music. Guitar Pro 7 is the new version of Guitar Pro, which offers improvement over the previous versions and some new features that are going to help guitar players like yourself write, arrange, and learn new material using that incredible piece of software. Here it is. Let me show you what this is all about. The first thing we notice when we open the software is a clear, uncluttered space made possible by three collapsible panels. The left panel is the Edit panel. That's where you're going to find all the notation elements that are going to allow you to create or edit a score. So whether you're adding notes, changing rhythm values, adding chords, adding effects to notes like bends, vibrato, legato, all those things are done on the left Edit panel. The right panel is the Inspector panel. That's where you can change information relevant to the project you're working on, such as the name of the project, the name of the composer, any copyright info. And it's in that panel that you can also change the sounds that you're going to use for the playback of your project. This is going to work on a per track basis, so you can change the sound of your guitar, your bass. And finally, the lower panel is for the global view, which allows you to quickly navigate through your project. It gives you an arrangement grid, allowing you to switch tracks, move sections around, and also access mixing options such as pan, volume, and EQ. This new version allows you to quickly change the notation style for any tracks. You can now easily show any combination of standard notation, rhythm/notation, and of course, guitar tabs for any tracks, including drums. The RSE settings have been simplified. RSE stands for Real Sound Engine, which gives you access to super high quality sounds within the software. As a matter of fact, Guitar Pro 7 comes with over 1,000 RSE presets. That's multiple genres of music, multiple instruments. All those things are going to help you create the perfect score for your project. Speaking of the quality of the sounds of Guitar Pro 7, you can actually now plug your guitar directly into your sound interface. Make sure you're in tune using the built-in polyphonic tuner, and use Guitar Pro 7's Real Sound Engine as an amp modeler. That means that you can now jam with any project of Guitar Pro 7 without leaving the application. And finally, it's never been easier to share your compositions or backing tracks using the new available export formats. You can export it as an MP3, a WAV file, but also high-quality FLAC, AIFF, and OGG. A few new guitar-specific notation elements have been added to Guitar Pro 7, such as the golpe, the pick scrape, and the dead slap. But that's not all. Guitar Pro 7 also greatly improves the quality of the playback of previously available notation elements such as bends and vibratos. Compared to previous versions of Guitar Pro, the performances have been optimized, faster loading, improved sounds, and easier setup and updates. So, whether you're a beginner or a professional player, Guitar Pro 7 offers you all the tools you need to write, arrange, and learn new material in a super uncluttered way. It's a beautiful software. It works. It's awesome. Check it out. Guitar Pro 7.